If your channel isn't growing, this is a video for you. And if you've been uploading your videos straight to public, that's one of the reasons as to why your channel isn't growing. Stop uploading your videos straight to public. If you upload your video straight to public, that means you're not giving the algorithm time to analyze and process your video to know the right audience to give to your video to. You know, the YouTube algorithm at times first analyzes your content. After uploading a video, it analyzes and it should know the right audience to give to your video. So if you upload straight to public, that means you're limiting the algorithm to get more data about your video. And it will recommend it to the wrong audience, and what will come out, you will get less views, you will get a lot of impressions, but the impression click-through rate will be down. So guys, after uploading, what you need to do, you have to put your video into listed or private for some time. At least if you're on a rush, at least you give it like 6 hours, but mostly I recommend 24 hours. Why? It processes and analyzes this so that it can give it the right audience. So if you start uploading your videos straight to public, that means you're stopping yourself from getting more views. Secondly, hide your likes. Hide your video likes. Why? In most cases, people don't like videos that have lower likes. And what you should do, you should hide them from them. If you do that, that means your video will get a lot of likes. And if it gets a lot of likes, it shows the YouTube algorithm that people like this video, so it can push it to a more broader audience. So guys, in most cases, we leave our likes on. People can see that our video has 30k likes, 2 likes, 3 likes. People will be like, now this video is not good. And some people might view this as not a good video. So what you should do, you should hide these likes. After hiding these likes, that means people will be able to see views. If you have 1k views, people will be liking your videos. And that means if they like your videos, you're getting more attraction. So if you're leaving out that and you're showing them your likes, my friend, you won't be able to get more likes for your videos, and it won't be pushed so far so that more people can see it. Thirdly, invest more in your idea. Guys, many YouTubers here on the platform just wake up in the morning, get a camera, start shooting anyhowly, not even knowing the right direction where they are heading to. What they want to be YouTubers. But to be honest, I'm going to tell you this. In most cases, guys, it's better for you to have the correct and the right idea. Why do we say this? It's from Mr. Beast and other big creators, according to the podcasts I've been watching. These guys tell you that the right idea gets the right views. So guys, if you want to make a video that goes viral, what should you do? You should look for ideas that people are looking for and ideas that people want. For instance, many of us look at the YouTube algorithm as a system. But in most cases, as I've been teaching you on my channel, the YouTube algorithm look at it as the audience or the people that are watching your videos. If they don't click, they don't watch. So the people are the ones that see your thumbnails and click so that they can watch your videos. So what you should do, you should bring ideas that are intriguing, ideas that can stop people from scrolling and they watch your videos. So that's what I'm trying to mean. If I'm interested in sports, the YouTube algorithm is recommending for me music, I won't click. What does it mean? If you're in your niche and you're doing sports, what should you do? You should make ideas that are really good for sports, and people will watch your videos and they will watch each and every videos and they will be enjoying because it's the right audience. Your ideas are good. Guys, you should pin a comment under your YouTube video. Guys, after uploading your videos, kindly take time and write a comment in your comment section and pin it. I would advise you that comment should be like in a question way. You should ask a question that at least can generate traffic. For instance, if I'm doing videos on how to make money on YouTube, if I do a video that is on how to make money on YouTube, what type of question do I need to do? I would just write in the comment and I'll be like, which method is best for making money online? So people will be commenting and giving you answers in the comment. That's how you're going to be working on these comments and it will generate traffic. People will be commenting, the comment section will be busy, and it will show the YouTube algorithm that this is one of the best videos. And the YouTube algorithm will begin to push it to more audiences, and when more audiences see the comment and start commenting on the video, that means you're attracting a lot and you will get the views you want. Now, create videos that have been tested. Guys, most of us YouTubers, we just make videos that we want. But in most cases, you just need to go to the YouTube platform, look for videos in your niche that have been working for other YouTubers in your niche. And that means you will generate traffic and you will get an audience that is from other YouTubers. And what you need to know is that this audience will grow with you, and you will generate more views from this audience, and they will love your videos. Cause why? You're making videos that have been working before in that niche. So if you just make videos on your own that have not worked before, that means it has high chances of flopping and not getting the views you want. But if someone has made that video before, you see YouTubers have made that topic before, you just need to write your own script, make your thumbnail differently, don't copy thumbnails. You can copy titles, but don't copy thumbnails. And the titles, you have to at least to tweak it a little bit so that if someone is not looking at your video as a video that they've watched before, if you copy the thumbnail and paste it here, if someone will be scrolling on their YouTube, they'll be seeing a video that they've watched before. So that will limit people from clicking on your video. So don't copy thumbnails. And if possible, generate your own titles. Don't copy titles. Another thing, guys, is consistency. Guys, try as much as possible to be consistent. I mean consistent for a while. You need to be consistent for almost 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, uploading content. You never know, you might stop uploading today and the next day you will find yourself that the videos have taken off, or the next day you will find yourself the video that you haven't uploaded and you've been making yourself too busy for uploading, that's the video that might take your channel off. So guys, let's stay consistent and focused.